Hello everyone. This is Eric from Invensis Learning. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If having a high-paying job is important to you, these careers may pique your interest. Because, in this video, I will be explaining to you the top 10 highest paying jobs with a salary more than 100,000 US dollars. Before we start with the video, I would like to mention that this list is subjective to change. If you feel that we have missed any of the job roles, please let us know in the comments section. Here's our list. We have Agile Coach, DevOps Manager, Senior Product Manager, Information Security Manager, Senior Project Manager, Scrum Coach, Software Developer, IT Manager, Senior Business Analyst, Six Sigma Black Belt Project Manager. First, in the list we have Agile Coach. On average, an Agile Coach makes around $122,899. So, who exactly is an Agile Coach? Agile coaches are those professionals who train corporate teams on the Agile methodology. They help other team members in understanding the Agile team development and ensure effective outcomes are obtained for the organization. Their ultimate goal is in arming the Agile teams with the right knowledge, tools, techniques, and training. Then, what does an Agile coach do? An Agile coach, he is required to guide all the teams through the implementation process by encouraging workers. Along with that, they also think through different ideas to advise and evaluate their team. So, what would be the required qualifications to become an Agile coach? He has to obtain a bachelor's degree in information technology, IT. In addition to that, he needs to have experience in working with Agile methodology. Coming to the skills part. As an Agile coach, he must know Scrum, Kanban, and related software development aspects. Also, as a part of soft skills, he needs to possess some good communication, problem-solving skills, etc. Certifications. Once obtaining a degree and skills, you have to gain certification to become an Agile coach. We Invensis Learning is accredited by Scrum Alliance to provide certified Scrum Master certification training globally. Through this certificate, you can kickstart your career as an Agile coach. Moving on, we have DevOps Manager. A DevOps Manager earns around $120,697. But, who exactly is a DevOps Manager? DevOps combines two processes, software development and software operation, which has reached higher heights in the business world. The DevOps Manager is one of the prominent roles in the present industry. These individuals encapsulate the depth of knowledge and have years of hands-on experience on many technologies and tools. They come with core attributes that involve an ability to code and script, data management skills, and a strong focus on business outcomes. But, what exactly does a DevOps Manager do? DevOps managers are that person who is responsible for promoting, as well as implementing DevOps strategies, and evangelizes DevOps to the outside community like the customers. These professionals are also involved in testing and automation. As a DevOps manager, he must also understand the various customers' requirements, and set up a course of action to implement it. He also must monitor and measure customer experience. Along with that, he must review, verify, and validate the various software code developed during the project, and develop appropriate code and LDS IT solutions. Required qualifications to become a DevOps manager would be to get a bachelor's degree in computer science or any other related field. Along with that, he must upskill himself with strong communication, collaboration, interpersonal, and other soft skills. He must be aware of software security skills, cloud skills, and different DevOps tools. Certification. To become a DevOps manager, acquiring DevOps certificates is equally important. Invensis Learning provides DevOps training in DevOps Foundation, Master, and Professional. Visit Invensis Learning to know more about this. Coming up with the next job in the list, we have Senior Product Manager. According to Pay Scale, a Senior Product Manager earns around $119,289. But, who is a Senior Product Manager? The Senior Product Manager is a professional who possesses a blend of business and technical ideas. They have a vision that transforms the ideas into a reality. A senior product manager is a person who is extremely comfortable in the field to understand the market trends and also bring innovative solutions through the business's product. So, what would be the roles and responsibilities of a senior product manager? A senior product manager must involve himself in guiding the activities charged with product line contribution, and also must perform competitive pricing, profitability analysis, to recommend the strategies. In addition to it, he must communicate with various developers, designers, and other related departments. What would be the required qualifications to become a senior product manager? In the context of education, a senior product manager has to obtain a degree in business administration, marketing, computer science, or engineering streams. It is also preferred to have master's degrees in the same or the equivalent in experience. For the skills part, they must have good analytical skills and communication skills. In addition to that, they must possess multitasking ability, time management skills, etc. Next, we have Information Security Manager. An Information Security Manager earns around $116,632. But, who are Information Security Managers? Information Security Managers are important professionals for any organization. IT Security Manager ranks in 15th place among best jobs in America 2021. They play a vital role in the IT and information security departments of the organizations they serve. As the name says, an Information Security Manager is that person who is intended to protect the organization's computers, networks, and data against computer viruses and malicious hacker attacks. Then, what are the duties of Information Security Managers? An Information Security Manager's main job is to manage the IT and Information Security Department's team and personnel. They also must be involved in controlling all aspects of computer security. In addition to that, they are required to carry out security measures that help in protecting a business's data and information by avoiding disasters and by identifying vulnerabilities of information systems. So, what are the required qualifications to become an Information Security Manager? Coming to the education part, they must obtain a bachelor's degree in computer science, computer programming, or any other related field. Then, these professionals must need some skills like communication skills, interpersonal skills, effective management, and other soft skills. Along with that, they must obtain extensive technology knowledge and other technical skills like Linux, Unix, Python. The fifth job paying on the list is Senior Project Manager. According to data found on PayScale, a Senior Project Manager earns up to $114,991. But, who all are termed as Senior Project Managers? A Senior Project Manager is the head of all projects. Their job requires in-depth knowledge and extraordinary skills that are not present in other project managers. Senior Project Managers are suitable for large organizations that usually work on more than one project. They always deal with complicated projects. So, what does a Senior Project Manager do? A Senior Project Manager is required to plan, organize, implement, lead, and control the project in an efficient manner. They also must meet financial objectives by building and implementing the best practices for performing the tasks. In addition to that, they must evaluate the progress of each and every project on a regular basis. So, what would be the required qualifications to become a Senior Project Manager? Must obtain a bachelorate degree in a technical area of study. Along with that, they must have 5+ experience years in project management. More than 3 years in a supervisory role. And, in planning projects with large data sets. So, what are the skills? The Senior Project Managers must be aware of SDLC methodologies, Agile, Scrum, SDLC. Also, they must have the ability to work in a creative and analytical environment. Along with that, they must also understand and apply new technologies. To get into this profession, you are required to own a PMP certification. Luckily, we at Invensis Learning, who is an accredited PMI registered education partner, offers 4-day instruction-led PMP certification training. Take this certification and become a master in project management. Next in the list, we have Scrum Coach. On average, a Scrum Coach earns around $113,953. But, who exactly is a Scrum Coach? In this dynamic environment, the Scrum Coach is an important person in a corporate structure. A Scrum Coach is that person who has a broader perspective than the team-focused Scrum Master. Generally, a Scrum Coach has been a Scrum Master, as well as a product owner in the past. So, what does a Scrum Coach do? A Scrum Coach will help the Scrum team and the product owners by modeling them with the Agile mindset and behaviors. They also guide and coaches the Scrum team on how to use the best Agile practices. In addition to that, they also involve in planning with product management and other development teams. So, what are the prerequisites of a Scrum Coach? They must obtain a bachelor's degree. They also must have 4 years of experience as a product or project developer. Coming to skills. They must possess a generative listening ability and a powerful questioning ability. They also must have strong Scrum and Agile knowledge. To become a perfect Scrum Coach, you can get training in the Scrum. We Invensis Learning provide you certification in Scrum areas. Visit InvensisLearning.com to know more. Moving on, we have software developer. A software developer's average earning is found to be $112,671. But, who exactly is a software developer? Software developers are the most creative professionals, who are indulged in computer programs of all sorts. They also focus on a specific program, or application. These individuals engage themselves in identifying, designing, installing, and testing a software system they have built for a company from the ground up. What does a software developer do? A software developer helps in producing efficient codes for developing the software. They also write program codes for future the reference and reporting. Along with that, they also create optimum software, and a variety of models and diagrams that analyze users' needs. So, what are the required qualifications? These professionals are required to obtain a bachelor's degree in computer science or related degree. Along with that, they must have experience of working on many software development projects. So, what are the specific skills to become a software developer? They must know technical aspects like Java, SQL, Python, etc. They also must design, test, and develop software that meets user needs by creating complex databases for organizations. Further, we have IT manager. According to PayScale, an IT manager earns around $104,457. So, who is called IT managers? IT manager ranks in 12th place among the best jobs in America 2021. An IT manager is a professional, responsible for improving the overall performance of a company's electronic networks. They also lead the IT department by fulfilling the organization's information systems requirements. What are the duties of an IT manager? Managers must develop plans, and ensure to have an efficient management. They also must prepare, and ensure the maintenance of budget for all the IT programs. Apart from that, they also develop SMART goals for hardware, software, and storage to direct, and support the implementation of new software. So, what are the prerequisites of an IT manager? They must obtain bachelor's degree in information technology, computer science, or any other related field. Coming to skills. They must be aware in developing and implementing IT policies for the organization, as well as in planning the IT budget. They also must indulge in providing direction for IT team members. Apart from that, they are required to have some leadership, management skills, and financial skills including budgeting and forecasting. Certifications. Certified Associate in Project Management is one of the best IT certifications. Invensis Learning provides this certification training and accreditation with PMI as a registered education provider. Enroll for this course to get your job in hand. Moving on, we have Senior Business Analyst. On average, a Senior Business Analyst earns around $102,936. So, who are Senior Business Analyst? The Senior Business Analyst is someone who provides strategic business analysis services. Their main aim is to understand the customer's business strategy, processes, and services. They also indulge in understanding the documents and capabilities needed to address business challenges. So, what are the responsibilities of a senior business analyst? As a senior business analyst, he is required to manage customer relationships and expectations. He also must identify, create, and facilitate process design changes by providing and supporting innovative business solutions. Along with that, they must design and lead the company in the execution of business strategies. So, what are the required qualifications? They must have a bachelor degree in business, information technology, or related field. Must have 5 years of working experience in analysis, data mining, or information-related field. So, what about skills? Any senior business analyst must have excellent organizational and time management skills. Also, must have a clear technical understanding and problem-solving ability. Apart from that, they must obtain decision-making, managerial skills, interpersonal and consultative skills. To become a senior business analyst, you can take up a certification from us. Invensis Learning provides online training on business analysis certification as a registered education partner with Exxon. You can earn 2 certification levels, that is, Business Analysis Foundation and Business Analysis Practitioner Certification Training. Last, in the list, we have Six Sigma Black Belt Project Manager. The average earning of a Six Sigma Black Belt Project Manager is found to be $101,634. So, who is a Six Sigma Black Belt Project Manager? Six Sigma Black Belt professionals are experts in finding and solving problems. These individuals are experts at using proven methodologies to solve problems. These managers have significant technical accuracy and attention to every detail of the project. Now, let us look into some of the duties performed by Six Sigma Black Belt managers. These professionals are required to develop a team to define the goals and objectives of the project. They are also responsible for overseeing the work of the team and in supporting the Leadership Council. Along with this, they also deliver training and provide mentoring support to the team members. So, what are the required qualifications? To become a Six Sigma Black Belt project manager, they must have a bachelor's degree in business or a field related to the industry. Coming to the skills. These professionals must carry a positive attitude and must be a firm believer. They also must have good communication, leadership, and management skills. Well, we have reached the end of the list. Choose the domain you are interested in, and gain appropriate experience and skills in that stream. Take the certification, and start earning a six-figure salary.